To fix unnatural color tones in photos using the thin tool on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. Next, swipe the icon area to the left to find thin icon. Drag the slider to the right to add a magenta tone. It's useful when your photo appears too green. Or you can drag the slider to the left to add a green tone. It's useful if your photo looks too magenta or purple. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. Given to the function, you can use the thin tool to balance color in photo taken under outlighting. Whether you are fixing a greenish indoor shot or toning down a purple hue from artificial light, this tool brings your photo back to a more realistic and pleasing look. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.